Today is Wednesday, April 30th, and this is your forecast for the northeastern United States. And yeah, that means tomorrow kicks off the month of May. And you know what? Actually, it looks like it's going to be a pretty nice start to the month of May, but a lot of our weather resources, our weather forecast models are hinting at overall a cooler than normal month of May for the entire Northeast, but not by a significant amount. So maybe we luck out and get some nice weather here and there as well. Today we're off to a pretty comfortable start in the city, 68 degrees. The temperature's not going to move much as a cold front moves away and cooler air comes in. So it'll be a little breezy at times, 72 degrees, and we'll find mostly clear skies and 60s for us later on this evening. Looking around the Northeast, it is absolutely cooler than yesterday. I mean, we saw temperatures into the mid 80s throughout central New York and central Pennsylvania today. By contrast, only in the upper 50s in Syracuse, 68 today in Albany, and just 52 degrees in Buffalo. But there's a warm front that's going to swing through later on tonight. That could kick off a couple of showers for Columbus, Buffalo, maybe even just outside of Syracuse. But that warm front's going to keep pushing north, and these 30s will really bounce back pretty nicely here, the temperatures, as we head into our Thursday and Friday. So here's a look at the weather map. The cold front that brought that severe weather yesterday in western and central New York, now that is moving off the coast. That's why the temperature is not going to move very much here in New York City, because we have cooler air coming in as the temperatures normally would be rising. So we kind of hold steady there in the upper 60s and low 70s. Got some severe storms in the southern plains. This area of low pressure is the one that's going to push north and allow for that warmth to build back in here for the end of the week. So tomorrow we're in the upper 60s, but Friday, we're up around 80 degrees. Then the cold front comes in, and that will bring some showers and storms on Saturday. I think most of the rain on Sunday would be early in the day. We'll have to watch that because some of our models are a little bit slower with the rain moving out, so it could last a little bit longer. But actually, it's been trending drier and drier on Sunday, so that's some good news there. 60s for early next week with a mix of sun and clouds. All right, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope the rest of your week treats you well. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.